Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new profile and register on Biziman.co. To begin, we have to click here, Start Your Trial Now. We give a 30-day free trial period for you to explore this site. Having clicked there, we land at the register page, which has got three simple columns. First, we have to fill in the email. The email is very important, so I will choose an email from my recorded emails, and then I have to enter the business name. Now this is a unique business name which will also be included in your online shop portal. For example, I'll have this business name, the Wood Craft Makers. So this is a nice name. This is the shop name that I have. I have some pre-filled password, so I'll leave it like that, and I'll click here, I'm not a robot. Then let's go. This will take me to the next page where I'm given two options. My business provides services, and there is a help input over here. If you're providing certain services, you can click here, but right now I'm showing you how to create a product site, so I will click here and I will say save my business time. This is the third and the last form that needs to be filled, and you are good to go. Here there is a message that the business name which I entered, the Wood Craft Makers, an email has been sent from me2write.com with your verification link. Please verify after account creation. So we have to wait till creation of the account. We don't get disrupted by this message. So here the business name is already entered. I am a one-person single business. Mobile number is important for me to write the mobile number. And my business URL. So if you have an URL, you write here. I'll choose one. If you don't have, you can skip it. Then your address. This is the address which your customers will get to know. So we write an address. We choose the address from the Google recommendations, and the map changes to the chosen address. Down below, we also have this option of shifting the map and then confirming the position of the address. And once that is confirmed, then we have this address now selected. And thereafter is the About Us. Whatever your company does and you want your customers to know about it, you can mention. And then at the end, you can choose one image for your About Us, and we can leave it here. And this is the final click button. After this, the system will take the input and create some data for you so that the site is up and running. So friends, with this few steps, we have now created our own the woodcutters product list. Sample dummy product data has been created for module to function properly. So some data has already been created by the site, by the system. This is dummy data. This is just to show you that how your data will look like once you enter it. Here we have the 4 categories: apparel, electronics, furniture and home. So if I click on furniture, then only furniture category will be shown to me. If I click on apparel, then only apparel category will be shown to me. Others will get hidden. And if I click on all, then all categories will be shown to me. And at the bottom, we have the navigation help, so we can keep moving between pages. Now coming to creating your own categories, what we have to do is we have to go on all categories link over here. This takes us to the table where the present categories are listed. We can either edit them or we can remove them. Right now we are going to create a new category, so we will add a category. Here we have to give the category name. So I say my category name is steel utensils. And if I am giving any discount on it, so I'll say okay, I am giving a 10% discount. So I will add the product category. So now I've added the product category. Now I need to add the products too. So I go on this link, I click. I have to select the category. So I see that steel utensils have already been entered over here. There's an error in the spelling, so I go to all categories. I go to edit and I say it is steel. Okay, so this is that simple. So now I have to go back to add a product. I have to go back to add the product here. So add product, and I select my new category. Then I call it steel spoons and some description, designer steel spoons from the best online store. Some description and some keywords I have to write here. So I say spoon, steel. This is going to help you to let the customer search your site in Google. So we just write that. And now what is the unit cost price? So let's say it is 250 rupees. The GST which is applicable is 18%. Profit that you want to take is 10%. We can always increase it. We can make it 11%, for example. And profit amount, or if you don't want to write the percentage, you can say the amount over here. The currency is INR. Discount on MRP is 5%. Stock is 40, that's the default figure. We can make it 50. It's a popular category. Rating is 1. Images, if you have some images to upload here, we can say okay, the image is of spoon, and then we can add an image if we want. So we don't have a spoon image, we'll take a sample image and we'll say this is the spoon image for the time being, and we say add product. So by these many simple steps, the products gets added. And now when I go to steel utensils, you will find that steel spoons are here to be seen, and here we can see the details again, whatever we had entered. This is the image. We can always change the image from here. Right now we have to find the steel spoon image, and we can add more images. So this is how the site will progress, and once you have made your own categories, we can delete the ones that we don't want. For example, we don't want apparel, so we delete the apparel category, and the apparel category gets deleted. So we go to the products list and we find that the apparel category is no longer there. So after having done this, we go to the live shop page. The live shop page will show you the page which is seen by your customers. So this is your live shop page, and this is how the page will be seen by your customers. And so we had steel spoons. Let's search for steel and we say search, and here the steel spoons have been shown to you, and this is how the powerful search is there. And let's say we want to add this to the cart, so we add one to the cart. Now it has been added to the cart. We say go to the cart, so we go to the cart and we find that the cart is empty. So we go back to the site and we go to the steel spoons, add to the cart. Okay, we didn't submit here, so that's how it was not added. So now it is added, and now you can see figure 1 over here. We go to the cart, This is how the customer will shop on your site. This is the spoon image. This is the spoon quantity he is buying. This is the cost for at which he is buying. This is the total price. So he said checkout. So with the checkout, he is brought to the last page where he will fill in his address and then he will check out. So this is how we can easily make a site, and we can easily start the online store. Should you have any queries, you can send me a query on this WhatsApp number, or you can also email to the desk manager at biziman.com. Thank you.